Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret. Let's start lesson 000 AutoCAD selection of entities with command All. Switch to AutoCAD. Selection of entities with command All. This command selects all entities. From menu Draw, choose command line and then left click in the drawing area to set first point of line, and then left click in the drawing area to set second point of line, and then left click, and finally press enter. From menu Draw, choose command Circle and then select option Center Radius, and then left click in the drawing area to set center point of circle, and then specify radius. Write radius 50 millimeters in the command line and then press enter. From menu Modify, choose command